going on, guys? I'm out here looking for this lost watered down motocross track. I might just have to stick to the trails. I really don't know at this moment. I'm just kind of fucking adventuring. Been dodging fucking construction like fucking James Bond. So I'm just trying to scope this out before I bring my bike and see what it's like. This trail looks pretty nice, so I could probably just romp. So I figured it out. This is definitely the track. I already saw a few fucking huge ruts from people's tires and the fucking little mud patches. So I'm gonna go home, load up the rental truck that I got for this ride. Mission of a century, because I ain't got nobody to ride with. But it's all good. I'm gonna still have some fun on my own. Do my own shit. It's okay though, everyone's just working, or they need to just work on their bike. It's not like people don't want to ride, but it's just a shame because I got the day off and I'm alone, motherfuckers. Anyways, I know about a new little spot. Alright. Here we are, boys. I rented the fucking big rig Super Duty. Can barely get my fucking ass in this thing, but we had to do what we had to do to get the fucking, to get the day going. What a fail. We're all loaded up in this bitch. Bikes are all loaded up. Got my new helmet. Mitch is lending me some goggles. They're looking fucking sick. I'm gonna try and buy these off them. They're fucking so sick. Anyways, the bikes are all loaded up. Mitch's fucking sick ass boots. Jealous of those. Gotta get me some right now. I'm rocking the Wolverines, baby. Got my Go Fast juice. Keep you guys posted. What's going on, motherfuckers? We got Mitch in this bitch. Hey. Yeah, we got the red Honda. Guy's gonna show me some tricks out today. Do tricks of the trade. We rented the frickin' Super Duty.
You'll never know now, little guy, until you take a peek. She was only 17. Woo!
We just fucking stumbled upon this crazy Larry the Enticer hellhole. Junkyard pit. I don't know if Mitch knows what this fucking place is, but I don't fucking know. It's pretty chill. You could have a fucking campfire. Pretty chill setup, not gonna lie. Got a few older rigs here. Imagine one of these bitches started up. Fuck, buddy, there's even a lighter here. Look at this. Fucking works too. Fuck, I'll leave it there. Someone's fucking chooching the cigarettes real good. Fucking hell, buddy. It's like they all came and none of their bikes, none of their snowmobiles would start.
They all died out here.
They all stopped for a quick beer at the fucking... This place is fucked.
This is fucked up, bro. This is like where we died or something.
To the kids that wreck my cabin, keep out, we will catch you.
I'm gonna text Cal.